Welcome to FrOSCon 19. Before we start, I would like to thank the VOC because they managed to set up the technology here that we can use it. Unfortunately, the very fancy new technology of the Hochschule, the university, does not work so good as you have seen. But anyway, thank you very much.
We tested it like 4 weeks ago. Everything was working. We tested it again on Thursday. Wow.
Okay. We would like to announce our keynote.
This year, our keynote will be held by Jutta Horstmann. Say hello. On how to achieve a sustainable open source ecosystem. It's today at 12:45, and with a small welcome from the university at the beginning. In total, this year we have, I think now it's only 83 talks because we had some cancellations. 12 workshops, there's LPE exams again. There should be something for everybody.
Yeah, as usual, we have our projects exhibition in Mensa. You probably already found it. We have also some dev rooms this year. Just check the program on the webpage for more information, or go to the projects and ask them.
Yeah, in the Mensa you will also find out our caterer who will sell you nice and tasty vegetarian and vegan food. Outside on the right you'll find our drinks section. We will sell you cold mate, all kinds of soft drinks, and on the other side there's really good hot coffee.
Yeah, this brings us to a point which you may already experienced this year. Unfortunately, everything is a little bit more expensive than the years before. We are very sorry for this, but in terms of economic, not so good development in the last few years, probably, or especially last year, we had really issues finding partners. So unfortunately, this year you have to pay for it. So if there are any issues, please ask us. Maybe there's some solution in the end. But anyway, we would be happy if you make some donation if you can afford it. And of course, if we can afford it next year again, then we will make the prices cheaper again.
Yeah, if you want something that you can easily tax deduct, like we offer business tickets, you can still buy them. They also include like food during the conference and a ticket for our social event.
If you want to buy it, please come to us in the office, in the Orga office, because the pre-sale already has shut down for this.
Okay. Yeah, as mentioned, as every year we have a social event. This time probably inside upstairs because, as you saw earlier, there's a lot of rain in the afternoon and the evening. You need to buy a wristband. There will be a separate cash desk for that, probably somewhere in the Mensa or like in the entrance hall. You'll find it. Just follow the queue. And if you can't afford it, just become a volunteer.
Yeah, actually, oh no, that's not the next slide. But anyway, maybe one more comment on the social event. Again, it's a little bit more expensive because of the same reasons as we said before. You can become a helper if you want to support the event too. And the other thing is you will find the food as last year in the Mensa. Yeah, so the caterer won't go to a different place this year. Yeah, for those who need Wi-Fi, these are the Wi-Fi credentials. Probably there are some signs in the Hochschulstraße, the main hallway. There are some signs where you can get the credentials as well.
There's a QR code as well.
Yes. Yeah, if you want to become a helper, oh, this is the wrong URL. It should be helfen with an N in the end instead of the R. Sorry. We really would appreciate if you become a helper and help us with the conference. And as a bonus, you get free catering in the evening and as well for lunch.
And a nice shirt. Do we have somebody in a green shirt here? No, they are all busy. Yeah.
That's fine. Speaking of t-shirts, you may have seen the pre-sale, of course, and with a nice conference t-shirt with the rainbow frog. But we have also, well, for those who are coming more often, more regularly, who are already the inventory of FrOSCon, we have thought on you. You can buy it at Petra's store in the beginning of the Hochschulstraße, directly to the main hall. So this, of course, will also support us. But anyway, you can show that you are the part of the inventory of FrOSCon because you're maybe coming here for 19 years.
Actually, while we're at it, who's here for the first time?
Wow.
2 to 5 times?
5 to 10 years times? More than 10 years?
More than 10 years? Well,
every FrOSCon?
Oh yeah. I'm old.
Wow. Yeah, then there's another thing. I think we did last year already. We need new people in our team, and we would like you to inform you how we organize FrOSCon, and we have a session for this. And if you are interested in how we are doing this, what we are actually doing to organize FrOSCon, please join in. If you want to join our team, this would be also a good idea to just come to the session, get to know us. And so it's not tomorrow, it's today, I'm sorry. Today in Hörsaal 6, lecture room 6 at 4:30. Yeah.
Yeah, we like to thank our conference partner Emlix for helping us making this happen.
Actually, for the third year, Emlix is supporting us. I think this is an applause. This owns it all.
You can, if you want to talk to them, you find them right in the entrance hall, right at the entrance.
Yeah, and then I would like to thank all our partners. Yeah, you have seen probably most of them already in the Hochschulstraße. And with this, I would like to say thank you very much for coming and enjoy FrOSCon.
Have fun.